Welcome back to the Video Recon Adventure channel. If you like camping and you like adventure, this is the place to be. And we're finishing up that tour of Strawberry Bay Campground with Loop G. And this is the loop that me and my family have stayed at. It's a beautiful loop. It may not have the most trees. It may not have hookups like Loop B, but I'll tell you what, it has access to the water right by the docks, and you'll see that. And it also has some of the best wildlife viewing of any of the loops, and I'll show you where you can spot those deer. So sit back and relax and watch the view. One of the things you'll notice is how much grass this loop has. So if you have dogs, if you have kids and you just want to go for a walk, you don't have to worry about as much sagebrush. It's very well kept. The road is newer paved. There's not as many ruts in it. It again has all those beautiful restroom facilities that you have in the other loops. Most of the campsites have those pavilions, and you have those water taps to use to fill up your jugs. And coming up around the corner, as you go over this rise, you're gonna see those docked boats and how close it is to this campsite. You might even spot a view of that lodge off to your right. What a view. We've camped in pretty much all these campsites that you see around this corner. And that hill right there, that is where you can sit back and relax, especially if you're in these few campsites to the right, and take out those binoculars and watch the deer. In fact, sometimes you can even see the swallows building their nests in these little coverings. I told you about the weather and how unpredictable it is. It got a little darker with that cloud being covered. Like I say, if you wait for 5 minutes, if you don't like the weather, you will. And if you wait for another 5 minutes and you like the weather, you won't. It's really funny that way. I really hope you have liked all these loops at Strawberry and that you might have found the perfect spot in one of them to camp. And if you come up here, please let me know how your experience was. These are the kind of places where you can be not too far from people and make memories with your family. So pack on up that car, pack on up that tent and that trailer, and head on up and come to Strawberry Bay, and maybe we'll catch you while you're here. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Video Recon. And we'll catch you on that next video. Bye for now, and you finish enjoying that view.